Yeah, Coach Yao, Raider fan. Coach, congratulations. Tie the series. You were looking for consistency from your players playing Raider fan basketball na just pushing the pace. What can you say about the consistency they showed and the effort despite losing again in third quarter?
Well, ito lang naman yung gusto namin para bahin yung series. So, along with the series, I feel we have a chance lang naman. So we're just looking for that chance. I feel na our longer rotation, our bench can help out if we can extend this to 6 or 7 games. Mas makakatulong yung rotation namin. So yun yung advantage na nakikita ko. We're just trying to prolong the series. And today our bench stepped up. Si Christian yan, best player. Si Mike Malonzo stepped up. Si Josh David stepped up. So a lot of people made contributions on those ends. And sa kanila, Justin Bradley is carrying the whole team on his shoulders. So we feel if we can put that responsibility on him for a longer period, maybe we have an advantage in the long run.
Now we're ready to entertain questions from the media.
Ay, unang ko. Coach, yun ang nangyari after the game, bababa ng po yung nagsimula na.
Actually, the whole story is yung referees nung nagkamali sa amin, minususpend. I think a couple of games ago. Pag yung referee naman, sa kanila nagkakamali, wala namang suspend. And I feel, as a governor, it's not his job to keep talking to the referees and in that way intimidating them. Hindi never na ginawa yun ni Attorney Merck, yung governor namin. So layo ng behavior. So maybe coaches can complain, maybe assistant coaches can complain. But I feel in terms of demeanor and ethics, yung board, kung kaya nila na pigilin yung emotions nila, they should just leave that to their coaching staff and to the players. Gusto magreklamo ng players. So, ayun. Tapos from afar, tinawag niya ako ulul. Hindi ko naman siya, yun lang naman ang sinabi ko. So, nagkasagutan kami. I think marami namang weakness, no? Marami namang naka-weakness. So I was just asking him to stop talking to the referees. And then from afar, sumigaw siya. So, ganun lang. And there were a lot of weaknesses. Daming weaknesses. Hindi ko naman siya minura. Sabi ko lang, huwag mong kausapin ang referees. Which is a fair statement. Kasi, ano yun nakaka-intimidate yun. And in a series, it's a close series. And there are a lot of calls that can determine the game. I'm protecting my team. At hindi namin never ginawa yun ni Attorney Merck sa referee. Or kahit si Boss Edison na assistant alternate governor. So, there's a delineation doon sa roles ng staff at ng officers ng management ng team. Maybe sometimes, I can, baka pamisa-minsan, pwedeng madala siya ng emotion niya, but not every time. But not every time. Tao rin naman yung mga yan. Minsan may bugso ng emosyon mo. Pero, you cannot for game 1, game 2, game 3, game 4.
Coach, clarify lang. Bago ka tinawag mo yung sinabi mo, meron na ba kayong prior na sagutan?
Wala.
Tapos coach, nung after the game, ano yung naging usapan naman doon?
Akala ko makiki-handshake siya. Pilipinan ko si Coach King, nag-handshake kami. Tapos lumapit siya. Tinanong niya ako, wala akong problema ko sa kanya. Sabi ko, wala ka ako sa akin.
Coach, sa game naman. Kasi yung second quarter, that was the time when you pulled away without Jalen Johnson. Na-mention mo na rin that you touched on how the players played well, but could you
Yeah, we
specifically
just
say-
played hard. No? Kung sabi ko sa kanya, kung kayo matakot matalo, ang mas nakakatakot, yung hindi tayo naglaro ng 100%. Don't fear losing. Kayo matakot matalo. Basta pag naglaro kayo, itodo nyo lang. Kaya nga, buwis buhay kami. Buwis buhay lang. Laro na. Just compete, show up, compete. The result is really not totally within your control. Ngayon, sinuwerte kami dahil we play hard. But the next game, kahit if you play hard against a team like Ginebra, baka hindi ka pa rin manalo.
Coach, ano masabi mo sa performance ni Joshua David? Yung sa starting line natin, second na yung katabi mo si Manay Tayo, also delivered as a rookie in a playoff game na 10-4.
Joshua was just looking for a break. Nandun talaga sa ano niya, meron talaga siyang galing, may talento siya. And he was just looking for a break. He can defend, he can shoot the three. Hindi ako nagugulat na he's making his three because he's working on his three. So, hindi ka gulat-gulat sa akin yan. I'm actually expecting that from Josh.
Coach, si Cristo naman. Nakita naman.
Si Christian, magmula nung nag-best player sa isang laro din. Akala niya star na rin siya. Nakakatulong sa confidence niya. Kaya ito, nagbalik siya. Malaking tulong yun.
Coach, you limited Ginebra to 5 3-pointers.
Ano?
Lima lang yung na-shoot ng Ginebra na 3, which is one of the remaining players.
Siguro is the law of averages. Game 1 ang taas ng percentage, and game 2 ang taas ng percentage, game 3 ang taas ng percentage. Darating yung panahon or oras na magbibigay. Siguro ngayon lang. Baka pagdating ng game 5, bigla na naman yung press nila. So, that's the that's the risk you take, taking risks. There will be good nights and there will be bad nights. But if it's really part of your system, you accept those good nights and bad nights.
Christian, ano naman masabi mo sa performance mo tonight na playoff game, down there 2-1 series, sakso man nag-step up?
Yun na lang, before the game, sinabi ni Coach Lim na don't afraid to make mistakes. So, para sa akin, as a rookie, so going to the game, so pag pinasok ako, go hard na talaga. And pansin ko din kasi na medyo magaan yung depensa sa akin, so never end up, yun nakaka-score naman. At syempre, nung na-contra ako si Jalen, nag-usap kami ni Mike Manoso na pag pumasok kami, bigyan na namin yung best namin. We will try to hold them off as long as we can. Para pag pumasok sila, yun na.
Coach, lastly na lang, how will yung mga nangyari ngayong game 4 will affect game 5 for both teams psychologically?
Well, if you're coming off a win, you have momentum, you have confidence. Now it's a best of 3. So, pag best of 3, whoever wins game 1 of best of 3, which is going to be on Friday, has more than 50% chance of winning the series. So, yun yung, I think the biggest game is going to be on Friday.
With that, we end our post-game press conference. Thank you for your time, gentlemen.